question. I find it very interesting to think of my dearly beautiful. Listen to your question. I find it very interesting to think of my dearly beautiful, beloved place of birth, Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes.
My hometown is such a developed city that a large number of people from other regions are attracted, but it must always deal with many severe problems. The city.
How surprising. Because your interruption is so clear that the stretch is not strong enough. So it seems that the intonation in your presentation is not it's not appealing, it's not attractive enough. So I suggest you practice to put the stretch in the words first. For example, you talk about the pupil attractive. Okay. Now let me show you this.
But it must always deal with many severe problems.
Yeah, not only many severe problems, but almost many severe problems. So I would like to see a stronger stretch. That's what I mean.
City of flood, pollution, traffic jam, and so forth. In the past, given a majority of agricultural land, it is surprising that urban people must have cultivated.
Okay. So it seems that you don't understand my explanation in the writing correction. I mean that here I understand you are trying to use reduced adverbial clause, but in fact we cannot reduce in the case until we have the same subject. Now listen to my example. Because I love you, I can do everything for you. So we have the same subject. So that we can reduce loving you, I can do everything for you. In that situation, you must change your sentence into the same subject with the reduced adverbial clause. So we can talk it in other ways, like
it is surprising that urban.
Yeah, you see, it is surprising. So it is a dummy subject. It cannot have it cannot the same subject as the first one.
Pollution, traffic jam, and so forth. In the past, given a majority of agricultural land.
Yeah, so in the past, given. So I will not tell you what is the subject up here. What is given. You should identify this, and then you put the same subject in the second one. So I think that the dummy subject in this situation is not suitable enough.
It is surprising that urban people must have cultivated plants and rice for living. But nowadays, citizens are interested in looking for industrial and service jobs since they are able to earn the most generous salary. Yes,
they are able to earn the most generous salary.
Daily create valuable opportunities of this city. It can be found more easily than those of other places.
Okay.
You will love to reside here because of its value.
Yes, I agree. Now be sure that you can remember and express your ideas naturally. Because you don't look at the camera, so I'm wondering whether you learn it by heart or not. You can express your ideas without the paper, without my correction. And one more thing is try to express your ideas and analyze interruption and stretch too. They are such a very important, necessary thing in pronunciation. Thank you.